From $330 to a soaring $380 per share in 2 months, Microsoft stock is on a thrilling ride. We will explain why and explore whether it could be a stock to own now. Get set for an exciting journey as Sam Altman gears up to retake the role of CEO at OpenAI. Join us in exploring Microsoft's innovative AI projects and the captivating shifts in its stock price dynamics. Uncover significant announcements made on November 23rd, along with the recent game-changing Activision Blizzard acquisition influencing Microsoft's stock trajectory. Examine the details of the recent substantial growth in Microsoft's stock value as we unravel the underlying reasons. Welcome to the core of our investment brainstorm. Sam Altman is set to return as OpenAI's CEO, marking a surprising twist. After negotiations, an agreement has been reached for Altman's reinstatement along with OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman. On X Twitter, Altman expressed enthusiasm for his return, supported by Microsoft's CEO Satya Nadella. The recent developments address concerns of a mass staff exodus from OpenAI, with the board being replaced, led by Bret Taylor, former CEO of Salesforce. With the dust now settling, the status quo is seemingly restored at OpenAI and Microsoft. Despite uncertainties about Microsoft's future in advanced AI projects led by Brockman and Altman, ongoing monitor of Microsoft's announcement is crucial. In addition to Microsoft AI's initiatives, the company held a substantial ownership interest in OpenAI, owing to significant investments made over time. It is important to note, however, that OpenAI had diverse investors and none of them would gain an advantage if the entire team were to leave OpenAI and join Microsoft's internally governed AI division. If you're interested in investing in commodities, stocks, crypto, indices, or bonds, you should definitely try Dukascopy. You can invest with just one click, starting from $1. Sounds good, right? Simply scan this QR code or check the link in the description below to get started. Fill out the form and then make a video call with a Dukascopy operator. That's all you need to do to open your Dukascopy bank account. Your Swiss bank account with Dukascopy will be ready to use the same day. In another groundbreaking development, Microsoft has officially completed its colossal $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, a major player in the gaming industry, known for iconic titles such as Call of Duty and World of Warcraft. This deal, successfully navigating the regulatory complexities in both the UK and the US, not only cements Microsoft's position as a formidable force in gaming, but also propels it to the esteemed rank of the third largest gaming company as measured by revenue. This strategic move encompasses the incorporation of over 9 Blizzard game studios and a substantial addition of more than 11 mobile gaming locations to the expansive portfolio of Xbox game studios. The implications of this acquisition extend far beyond a mere financial transaction, marking a pivotal moment in Microsoft's foray into the gaming domain. Acknowledging the intricacies of such a significant business venture, Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick has committed to facilitating a seamless transition, pledging his continued involvement until the culmination of the transaction in fourth quarter 2023. As part of Microsoft's ambitious integration plan, the diverse and beloved franchises under Activision Blizzard are slated to become integral components of Xbox Game Pass and other platforms, promising an enriched gaming experience for a broader audience. It's worth noting, however, that this journey to finalize this acquisition was not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, particularly in the form of objections from the UK's Competition and Markets Authority and the initial legal tussle with the US Federal Trade Commission, FTC, added layers of complexity to the process. Despite the FTC's continuing appeal, citing concerns about potential threats to competition, Microsoft stands firm in its belief in the positive impact of this transformative deal. Now turning our attention to the pricing aspect, we observe a substantial uptrend since October 2023, which can be attributed to the closure of the Activision Blizzard deal and this gaming giant becoming part of Microsoft. Notably, after acquisition, Activision Blizzard Inc. dropped from the FTSE All-World Index and has deregistered its stock. Initially standing at $330 per share, the Microsoft stock price has experienced a robust increase, currently hovering around $380 per share. Nevertheless, experts assess a fair value valuation of $312 per share, considering a 7.6% annum earnings growth projection extending until 2028. Looking ahead, predictions suggest a climb to $446 in the first half of 2024 and a closing price of $451 by year end, marking a 22% increase from the current value. The long-term outlook anticipates substantial gains with a forecasted price of $798 by 2029, indicating a 77% rise from today. Investors may observe a steady upward trajectory in the coming years, with predictions reaching $999 by 2034, reflecting a potential 125% increase. The projected outlook for Microsoft indicates an anticipated annual growth of 12.2% for both earnings and revenue. Earnings per share, EPS, are expected to increase at a rate of 12.4% annually. Additionally, a forecasted return of equity of 30.2% is expected to be achieved within the next 3 years. And now, here's the anticipated combined list of financial predictions for Microsoft and its competitors as provided by experts. Take a good look and always remember that every investment carries substantial risk. We're not providing financial advice here. It's crucial for you to make your own informed decisions. That's all the time we have today on the Investment Brainstorm. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with DukascopyTV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.